countries, including Kenya, Ethiopia, and Djibouti, shouldn't be there. These countries have historic enemies, our historic enemies. So we are defending Somalia. That's not true. They are not defending Somalia. They don't care about Somalia. They are destroying humanity in general. They are destroying humanity in general.
We have enough support from our neighboring countries, including Kenya and Ethiopia, as well as other two contributory countries called AMISOM. They have been working with the government of Somalia side by side and die only one cause, to bring peace and stability in Somalia. And we really appreciate all their sacrifices they gave to Somalia, and their sacrifice will not go in vain.
Allah hayay dewa wala astani wa iyadiyo waxweeyaan daahir ya shams waxyaabaha qaarkood ha keenina oo deeyana caruurta inaan ku waalin beeniraad male